If your Windows PC is stuttering during games, when you open an app, or when you edit a video, then the hardware might not be the problem. It could be these three features and settings that I'm going to show you how to change so the performance of your computer improve. So let's begin.
Right, guys, the first thing we gotta do to speed up our computer is to go to Task Manager. So we right click the taskbar and we go to Task Manager. After we do that, the Task Manager app is gonna appear. So we go to Startup Apps. After we do that, we go through every app we don't use at the beginning. It can be like this one, Mixed Reality Link, that I don't know what that is. So I click on it and then we disable it. This one is something for Microsoft Edge that I don't even know what that is for. So let's disable it. I disable all the apps that I don't need. Let's go to the second thing you gotta do. The second thing you gotta do to speed up your computer is going to be change your power options from lower consumption to high performance. So in order to do that, we're gonna type here on the search bar, we're gonna type settings, and then we're gonna go to settings. After we do that, we are gonna go to system and then power and battery. We want to make sure it's running on a power mode that is for best performance. In this case, go to power mode right here, and then when it's plugged in, when your computer is plugged in into the power, we choose best performance for this. And even though when it's not charging or it's on battery, let's do best performance so it behaves the same way when it's plugged in or when it's not. This is the second thing you gotta do, and you'll see a difference because we forget to change these settings and the computer is not giving the best performance ever. So let's do that.
So if you like playing games or edit videos on your free time or as a job or whatever, we sometimes don't know that our browser uses the graphic card for whatever reason and it's turned out by default. So let's turn it off and make that room for gaming and editing videos and not for the browser. So let's see how we do it.
So let's go to our browser. In this case, I use Edge. So if you use Chrome, you go to settings, or whatever browser you use, go to settings. And then there might be a search settings option, sorry. And then you type hardware. Okay, let's do it again. It's hardware acceleration, which is this one. And then you turn it up. So this is not gonna consume any energy from your graphics card. So that's the last thing I got for you guys.
So if you like the video, please subscribe and I hope your computer improved after you change these settings. So I will see you on the next one.